Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today we are going to be doing Irish moss. Irish moss is a seaweed and it's mostly grown, I think, in Jamaica. I don't know if it's in other country. It's in other countries, okay, but I know of it here in the Caribbean. So today I want to show you the Irish moss. Family, I have never seen it like this. The Irish moss that I know in Canada, it's brown and it's dry. And so when I went to the market and I saw this, I said to the man, "What is that?" So he said to me that it is. He said, "That's Irish moss." So I said, "No, it's not." So he said, "Yes." So I said, I've never seen Irish moss to look like that. So he said to me that this is the very raw stage, and this is when it just come out of the sea. The way I am used to seeing it is when they dry it in the sun and then it becomes that color. But this is the real thing. This is the fresh thing. So I said to him, "How much a pound for it?" And he said, 1,500, that's $15 Canadian a pound. So as much as I wanted, family, and I love it, I couldn't buy it for that. So I went to the seaside, and instead of going to the market, I went to the seaside now and asked for it. And this guy got this for me for $500 a pound. That's $5, right? A pound for this. And so I thought I'm going to wash it and dry it. But before I do that, I want to make a video of it and to show you how I make my Irish moss drink. So before I do that, I want to tell you the benefits of Irish moss. So Irish moss is so amazing, family. It takes out toxins out of your body. It's high in potassium. It takes mucus out of your body. It also helps with digestion. It grows on a rock in the sea, and it reduces the effects of radiation. So if you have done some surgery or been in the hospital for any time, just go home and do an Irish moss cleanse. 3 days, just Irish moss, and it will clean you out and get rid of all of the toxin radiations and everything that is in your body. So I'm gonna go ahead now and make the drink. I used the blender to make the milk. So just to make the almond milk. So I'm gonna put some almond milk, freshly made almond milk, in here like so. And then I wash, family, you have to wash it properly because other things in the sea comes up like in it. So you have to wash it and pick it and make sure things don't get into your drink. All kind of brabbles and stuff can come up. So this one is already washed and ready to go. And with that now, family, I have some honey here, but I don't want to put the honey because it's liquid, and so I'm going to put some date sugar, some organic date sugar in it with the milk. Okay. And then I'm going to put some cardamom spice. I would put some coriander, but I am out at the moment. So just the cardamom will do. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, not too much. You know what? I won't, because it's the seaweed. It's from the sea right there. So it shouldn't need any salt. When I'm making my almond milk, I usually put a tip of salt. But with this, you don't need the salt. So I will go ahead and put some vanilla in there. I love the vanilla. It really picks up the taste. If I need more milk, I will add it after. This is so good, family. I promise you, it's and very filling. Okay, let me look at it now and see. I've never done it this way with the raw Irish moss. It needs more sugar. Okay. I'll put some more milk. One second, family, hold on. 1 second. Okay. You can strain it if you want. You can strain it if you want, but I'm not going to strain it because I want to have all the goodness. And family, I also make a cheese. In one of my videos, I made a cheese with the Irish moss. So if you go back and look, you will see that I have used this in other videos. And it also can use as a gelatin. It can use to make gravy because it's tasteless. That's why when you're making the drink, you have to put your cardamom, your spices, your vanilla. You know, you have to put the things that will help to flavor it up and make it good. Usually here in Jamaica, they would boil it first, and then when it's cool, they would make the drink. But this way, I don't want to lose any of the enzymes, the goodness from it, so I just went ahead and blended it raw like that. And I'm not going to strain it, I'm just gonna pour it out. Oops. Like that. Family, so healthy. Even potassium, it's high. I forget to say it's high in potassium. So it's very good, very healthy. One of the best smoothies that you can drink. And it doesn't have too much of things, so your tummy won't have to process in, you know, 3-4 different ingredients. It's just simple Irish moss straight from the sea. So here's the life, family. I hope you try it. I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to share the video with someone if you are blessed by it, and have a blessed day. God is good.